Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change the email associated with your YouTube channel. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into the YouTube channel for which you want to change the email address. Then locate the top right corner of the screen and click on your channel icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. On the Settings page, find and click on the option Add or Remove Manager. If you don't see this option, it's likely because your channel isn't a brand account. In that case, visit this link to turn your YouTube channel into a brand account. Once your channel is a brand account, return to the Settings page, click on the option Add or Remove Manager, and click on Manage Permissions. Google will prompt you to verify your identity by entering your password. Enter your password and click Next. After the page reloads, click on Manage Permissions again. Look for the button labeled Invite New Users and click on it. A field will appear where you can enter the new email address you want to use for your YouTube channel. Type in the desired email address and then click on Choose a Role from the drop-down menu. Select Manager, avoid selecting Owner. Click on Invite to send the invitation. Now, switch to the email account you used and locate the invitation email. Accept the invitation by following the provided instructions. After accepting the invitation, return to the Manage Permissions page. Click on Manage Permissions once more, and you'll see the new Google account listed as a manager. Locate the account's role and click on it. Change the role to primary owner, and then click Transfer and finally Done. That's how you can change the email address associated with your YouTube channel. And that's it, guys. If you want more similar tutorial videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.